Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today we're asking how long can these high security handcuffs hold a Mr. Deadlocks. Now these have two locks on them, the normal handcuff lock and a wafer lock on the top for the double lock. That's where we get the high security bit from, which apparently is hard enough to the key. There we go. Says double locks on. I'm just going to use Sparrow's pokey thing. And there we go. So double lock it off. Now I'm just going to use the Sparrow's pokey thing again. To jam up to the locking port. And shim out. That's how long a set of high security handcuffs hold a Mr. Deadlocks. That's all from us. See you next time.
I meant the handcuffs.
You had full confidence in the handcuffs?
Yes.
The handcuffs failed.
No, I mean I had full confidence in the beef.
Oh.
What? I'm confused. I knew you could open them. That's what I meant. I don't like this beef thing. It confuses my brain.
Okay.